way. I'm gonna just got up now. I'm gonna get the kettle on and get this day started. Got to trek back. Oh mate, I had some cramp last night in both legs. Oh, my camping partner here, rather than help, just videoed me and put it on his Instagram story, but I shall get that video and put it in here now.
What's going on in there, mate? You
Oh,
right?
mate, that is pain. Oh. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get up, get ready, have a steady walk back, and then we'll go in a boat today, sea fishing.